I heard you have an exam coming up in less than 24 hours and you wanted to focus but needs a virtual accountability buddy. Me too! Hola, kamusta? This is your amigang guapa, future Doctora Zamieca. Now grab your iPad, your notebook, MacBook, and let's study. I only have 19 hours before my exam in cardio, and for palpitation, coffee is a must. I already grabbed one from 7-Eleven, then headed to Co.Lab. You know it's serious when I climb up here. It's only 200 pesos and it's until 10 p.m. Today's motivation is to remind me how diabolical I planned to get into med school. I know I said, Lord, I'll do everything. This is me doing everything. In academics, only you can mend your broken spirit. Go pick up yourself and lock in. Excuse me, ma'am? Yeah, you? This is supposed to be a group activity. Yes, this is your cue to get your study material, scan the pages, how many pages it is, so that you can go ahead if you want to block each concept. You can cluster them in plan. How many pages do you need to study in an hour to finish the coverage? Yes, this is a study with me, not watch me study. Okay? Sige. Chop, go get your study materials. Now. Okay, after 2 hours of reading, I am going to take a break. I'm just dropping some solution onto my eyes. It is starting to strain my eyes. And by the way, have I told you that I have one laboratory class to attend at 1 p.m. So this is me preparing mentally so that I can go ahead. I will just leave my stuff here sa Co.Lab. Yes, you can do that and you can just return because again, it's until 10 p.m.
The truncus arteriosus. And behind that, if you're able to see them, is also the two gonna be starting.
Okay, after class, I headed to the canteen, ate, and then by 6 p.m., I returned to Co.Lab, now in a comfier clothes so that I can just focus onto reading, onto studying, and I got my favorite coffee from Red Cafe. Yeah, so this is Biscoff. Yep, it's dark outside already, and if you're getting hungry, there is also a snack nook here at Co.Lab. So let's go. Let's study. This is actually the part where you let the video play while you actually study. Okay, so it's us studying side by side. I'm just gonna do my thing here. I'm gonna study, I'm gonna lock in, and you're gonna do the same. It's I don't know, but this works with me. It's I'm studying with a person. I'm not alone in this quest. Okay, so the goal is to be ready for the exam tomorrow. Okay, time is up. I need to gather now my things so that I can exit Co.Lab because it's already 10 p.m. and you know what that means. Alright, change location. We are now at Red's Cafe, my favorite cafe, not because I love their Spanish latte and how Miss Lovey does my coffee. If you hang around Red's Cafe, you know that I frequent here. I believe that this is my most convenient location-wise and my most conducive study area. Why Zam? It's so saba, it's so crazy. Sometimes it can get crazy, it's so noisy. But surprisingly, I am always able to hyper-focus in this location. Probably because it is me training myself to stay alert, stay focused, stay sharp despite the nuisance, environmental nuisance. I take this as my training because later when we become public doctors, especially in a public hospital setting, sometimes we don't have that luxury of quiet before we decide. No, we have to be able to have that ability to stay focused, stay sharp, make decision, and have the best outcome possible despite the craziness in a hospital setting. So take this as your day one of training. So we're going to study with the cafe's ambience noise.
First time you see this method used, it's going to seem a little bit strange. You have to have a little bit of practice with this before. So the way this works, they start that.
Alright, by this time it's already 1 a.m. So to finish up, I just fished my test paper from the previous quiz, and with the answer key, I checked my paper. I like doing this because it kind of gives me the reality check. It reminds me that sometimes you did not got the wrong answer, not because you don't know the answer, but because sometimes you fail on the testmanship department. So that actually gives me what to do and what not to do on my next exam or next quiz. Alright, I believe I am ready for the quiz, and I hope so are you. Thank you for joining me in this study with me video, and I'll see you again next time.